Alright guys, welcome back. Today I need to do a quick maintenance wash. It's just super dusty, the wind is blowing a lot, and it's dirty. It's dirty. Not a lot of road film, but dirty. Now the car is coated, it's been topped, so very slick. We just really need a good, easy going soap to wash it. Maybe a foaming soap that sits on there and pulls all the dirt off. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Here, we've got double black. This is Frostbite Surface Cleansing Snow Foam. That's going to be good in the foam cannon. And we've got Inspiration Radiance. That's a coating maintenance wash soap. So we use that in the bucket. It's going to be perfect. All right, guys, first up, we've got Frostbite. This is a 1 to 10 dilution. They say, you know, I just opened this up. It smells good. It's like some kind of really clean, maybe a little bit of citrus twist in there. I don't know. 1 to 10 seeps in your cracks of your vehicle and cleans everything out. 500 milliliters. That's pretty good right there. P&S Frostbite 1 to 10 mixture, 500 milliliters to 50 milliliters of product. Let's go. All right, well, as you can see, it is dripping off really good. It sticks on there, nice level application, and it's coming out there. I can tell you the scent is fantastic, and I used most of the bottle on this car. So that was 500 milliliters of water and 50 milliliters of product, so about a little under 2 ounces. Look at it, it's fantastic. And while we're waiting for that, I've got some water in here. It says, we want to do the radiance for the hand wash. It says 6 ounces per gallon. That's outrageous. That's 30 ounces for a 5-gallon bucket. Tell you what, I'm gonna use, I probably got 2.5 gallons here. I'm just gonna put six ounces in that. I'll tell you what, for once, I'm gonna do it right. I'll put 12 ounces in here. Probably should be about 15. We gotta do 15, really? That's great delicious though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look at how much I use. This thing is brand new. Guys, this is a liter. That's 33 ounces. Should be around half. I'm about a third, so I'm going to say it's about 12 ounces that I've used in there, and I'm not going to put any more. That's just ridiculous. You know, 2 uses for 2.5 gallons of water. That's nuts. Right there. That's just nuts. What are they thinking? All right, let's rinse off the P&S Frostbite. All right, so I had about 2 gallons or so, but after foaming it up, it's probably about 3 to 3.5 gallons. Whatever. If I really got to use that much, let's see how this feels on the car, and we'll talk about this in a minute. So you know what, guys? It's nice and foamy. It smells really good. I mean, I like it. All right, guys, I am not working in the sun at all, and it is probably, I don't know, 85 degrees out here. It's nice and cool. And I always show you guys, I always let these soaps dry on there. So let's take a look at it. We're not even gonna go with, is it sun friendly or not, but you can see how it's on there. Let's hope it doesn't stain the car. This is a coating maintenance. I like to do a last look at when I'm rinsing. Did it add anything? Did it hurt the coating? Did it mess up the hydrophobics? Let me show you what they look like. So I'm gonna be real with you. 6 ounces a gallon is ridiculous. Let me just say that. The shine, I understand I keep my cars maintained and they should come out this way. This is white paint. The shine, not too slick, but the shine, the gloss, the pop, the white, the clearness, the crispness, it's off the charts. It's off the charts. Am I running out to buy a bottle like this? No. Would I run out and buy a gallon? I would. Or even a 5 gallon for a better deal. I would. All right, the stuff works great. It smells good. Dilution is horrible. Price is not so bad. You know, a bottle like this is 16 bucks. You can find gallons for about $30, $36. I saw one place online had a 5-gallon bucket for like $89, $90. That would be the way to go if you want that soap. Smells fantastic when you use it. It feels good, nice and lubricating. Look at the gloss afterward, the clarity. Oh, no marks. I let it dry on there, so there's no marks. And I normally would use like a drying aid, but I wanted to make sure, see what this did on its own, and it's fine. So next time I'll probably use a drying aid, get some slickness. I may just apply some kind of spray right now. But look at that. That's on the rear camera angle, guys. All right, guys, let's finish this video off. We got these products over at Autoforge.net. You got your Frostbite and you got your P&S Inspiration Radiance. Frostbite, 1 to 10 in a foam cannon, foamed it on, let it sit a little bit, and rinsed it off. No problem, smells good, clean, citrus, not too much on the citrus, but it has some kind of citrus twist in the scent. And when you rinse it off, it's got a nice clean look to it. Really did a nice job. I like that Frostbite. The Radiance threw me off with the dilutions. I didn't use them to the full spec, and I cut it back a little bit, and I think it worked just fine. Smells fantastic, washes very well for what it is, and this is your coating maintenance soap, it says. So my issue is the amount of ounces they want you to use, 6 per gallon. So you're gonna need to buy a bigger bottle. Get the gallon size, get the 5-gallon size. If you wanna try it, definitely get this size. I'm using the detailing cart here. This is real easy. You can carry it all around. And these things are all from Autoforge.net. I am using the Suds Buds towel here. This is their medium size. I don't know what, I forget what the size was. Something in the middle to big range. And I tell you what, it dries fantastically. So you can get that one on Amazon, or you can go to Autoforge and get one of their Glacier 1100s, guys. But the car came out fantastic. Actually very pleased with the 2 soaps. And let me know your thoughts if you've used it. Your thoughts on the dilution. Is it crazy? A little bit crazy, right? But it works good. The car looks great. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Peace. Bonus footage, guys. You know I didn't use any drying aid. There's nothing on here. It's a little bit lacking in the slickness, and when you want slickness, you grab your Colonite products. Let's use the 520 Mr. Collins detailer right there. So guys, as I'm applying this, now I'm buffing it off. It's instantly super slick. The smell is fantastic. And you know what? It's windy out here, so we gotta be a little bit careful. There is particles blowing around. So let's try to get this done as quick as possible. I'll spray it on there, and I'll take it and I'll just wipe it real quick up and down. Some long, nice strokes. I'm trying to move fast here, flip the towel around. And I tell you, as soon as you flip that towel, pure slickness, smooth, very nice. Love this stuff. Mr. Collins, 520 Auto Detailer from Colonite. Check it out, smells fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.
That's right.
Mr. Collins, Colonite. 520 does the trick.
Nice and smooth, baby.